Hey everyone! How are you doing? Today, we're going to fold the lower body of our Power Ranger Ryu. Just like the upper body, we'll use a 30 by 30 centimeter sheet of paper. First, fold it in half, up and down, side to side.
Fold with me, let's fly and fold so happily.
Now flip the paper over and fold both diagonals. Flip the paper again and let's fold along the lines to make a diamond-shaped pocket. With the open side at the top, fold each edge toward the middle line, then unfold. Now, tuck the folded flaps inside. Now fold just one layer down. It looks like a long diamond. Turn it over and let's do the same on the other side. Fold each edge toward the middle. Open it up and tuck it inside. Again, fold just one layer down. Next, fold the edges so they meet the horizontal crease. Then unfold. Do the same on the other side. Use your fingers to open the little pocket and squash it flat. Now fold it in half vertically, then open it again. Lift the front flap and squash it down. Let's do the same on the other side. Now flip the whole piece over. We'll repeat the same steps on the back. Fold the edges so they meet the horizontal crease. Then unfold. Use your fingers to open the little pocket and squash it flat. Now fold it in half vertically, then open it again. Lift the front flap and squash it down. Let's do the same on the other side. Now, fold along the center line of the flap, then unfold. Open with your finger and squash it down. Tuck the folded part inside. Let's flip it over so the inner color is visible. Watch closely. I will slowly turn it just like this. Now fold the bottom corner up to the center and tuck it behind. See this line? Fold along it. Do the same on the other side. Then fold both sides along the creases. Flip it over, fold the flap toward the center line. Open it and squash it flat. Tuck the folded part inside. And once more, flip it over so the inner color shows. Turn it gently on both sides. Fold the bottom corner up to the center and tuck it behind. See this line? Fold along it. Do the same on the other side. Then fold both sides along the creases. Now let's make the legs. Turn the paper upside down. Fold this corner to meet this one. Do the same on the other side. Then unfold both. Take just the front flap and fold along this line. Fold the other side the same way. Tuck both folds into the pocket at the back. Now fold along this line and tuck the flap inside. Next, we'll fold inward along this line. Make the crease on both sides. Open the little gap and push the point inside along the crease. Now fold the flap again along this line. We're going to squash along this line, make the crease, open it up, and press it flat. See? Now we have a diamond-shaped calf on each side. Fold the corners to meet the center line. Then fold them backwards, like a mountain. Repeat for the other leg. Imagine a horizontal center line across the diamond and fold each corner up into a mountain fold. There we go. Using the creases we've made, let's shape the feet. Push gently so they stand out. And that's it, the lower body is completed. Now, take the upper body we made last time and fit the legs into the folded part on top. Then, our Power Ranger Ryu is all done. Thanks folding with me today. If you liked folding with Bee, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Then, see you next time!